Good morning. I'm here at the my storage. I'm gonna be pulling out my bed and a few things out of here. I'm gonna do a little remodeling in here, make sure I have some more room in here for storage. Gonna take the mattress up, and I'm gonna take the uh, frame here and make it so I can lift it up and access my storage totes underneath. So yeah, just hang on, and we'll bring you along. So I've got everything pulled out. Um, yeah, got the bed pulled out already. Just got to pull this, unhook this, pull this out, and then we'll go from there. All right, I got my board set up. Oh, I got to get a drill. Pre-drill these holes. All right, I'm back. I pre-drill these holes so don't split the wood. Got to move my clamp. Move the clamp down to the next one. Now we'll just keep working our way down. Okay, let's move on to the other side. All right, a couple in here. Yeah, just keep working down our way down this way. All right, I think we got her. Okay, that part's done. Some hinges. Okay, I think I got it. Yep. It should be a little easier to get in and out. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so far so good. See if we can bring this back just a bit more. The bed frame's screwed down now, but I think this will work. Now, so far so good. Nice and solid. Okay, put this one here, and this one on this side. See how that's going to fit. Let's get this bolted down. Okay, those things are still accessible. Okay, I'm going to start putting the storage totes back in underneath the bed. See how that a little bit tight, but it'll work. And there's enough room to still put the lids back on, which is good. That one's in. One more. So yeah, this is my setup here. Got my drawers, I can access easily here. Silverware plates. Even got a little spot. I moved those two drawers there and set up right here for do some cooking. Little spot if it's raining. Got the hatch up, keeps the rain off. Perfect. Kind of like this little setup now. It's a little more handy. Then I got the totes underneath, and I got the little lift on the other side. I'll bring you around to the side. Here we go. I just have to put the mattress in and make the bed. There you have it. Totes are all in. Bring you in for a little close-up. Yeah, as you can see, I will totes underneath. I'll lift it up and show you that. Yeah, that's what it looks like with the bed frame up. Easy access to my storage. Well, there you have it. I will talk to you in a little bit. As you can see, I did just a little bit, not too much modifications here since last few days ago. I just added the top to the stand and put a couple hangers up here to hang stuff. And I got my other cooler just for water, to store water in, just ice pack thing. Updated the front a little bit. I moved my fridge from the front seat there between the seats and just stuck it underneath there. And I'll just give you a quick close-up and you can see that not too much. Just kind of shifted the bins around a bit so I could fit the fridge. Yeah, that's it. Well, that's all I have for you. That was my day of just updating my van, converting it, making things more accessible, makes things a little more comfortable. Anyways, just and a disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm not a carpenter. I don't claim to be one. So yeah, I just did what I could. So don't follow me. Don't do what I did. Everybody has their own way of doing things, and yeah. So if you like what you see, subscribe. The subscribe button will be down here. If you want to see more videos, I'll post a link. Some more videos up here, or here, or down here. And make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Stay safe, everybody.